In this video, we're going to take a look at the Canvas Gradebook keyboard shortcuts. So if you're in a gradebook in Canvas and want to possibly speed things up a little bit, keyboard shortcuts in the gradebook can help you do that. There's a quick reference for those keyboard shortcuts. If you find this little keyboard icon at the top of the gradebook, clicking on that will show you what those are. So I'll read through these here real quick. Wherever you are in the gradebook, pressing S will sort that column from lowest to highest or vice versa. M will bring up the menu for that column. Escape will get you out of whatever currently active menu you have. G will go to that assignments detail page, and C will open up the grade detail of that assignment for that student that's selected. They have a note here: press the escape key before using any keyboard shortcuts navigating the gradebook grid. That's so that we don't accidentally enter one of these letters as a grade for a student. So let's take a look at what that looks like here. If I go ahead and click in the gradebook, I can use my left, right, up, and down keys to move around in here. I can go up to the top column and also select the column in total. Let's say I wanted to sort this, so I can press S here. Pressing S in that column sorts it from lowest to highest. If I press S again, it's going to sort the gradebook based on highest to lowest now. So I could press S here and sort it back to lowest, and maybe I want to message those students who haven't turned in the assignment yet or something like that. I can press M to bring up the menu. For that, I can use the up and down keys or my mouse to select. Maybe I want to set a default grade or download submissions if it's that kind of assignment. I'm going to press escape here to get out of that menu. That's another keyboard shortcut. There's me pressing escape. If I go down to any of these students and I want to see the grade detail, because I've got the score selected, I want to hit escape so that it's no longer going to type in a score there. I'm going to press escape, and now you notice it's highlighting differently down here. I'm going to press C to see that grade detail. That brings up the grade on the side, the status, so whether it's missing, excused, or things like that. And I could put in a comment for that student there. I could also view it from SpeedGrader and a bunch of different things. I can press escape here and get out of that menu and move back around the gradebook. Also, I can go to whatever column I want and press G, escaping out of that so I don't type in a G for the grade of that student. I'll press escape, press G. It takes a little bit of time to load, but then it goes to the assignment detail for that page. So pretty cool. That's how you can use keyboard shortcuts in Canvas Gradebook to speed things up a little bit.